Hey everyone, this is Clay Bootcamp video number 1, how to create a pinch pot. This is Miss DeSalt here. First thing I want to mention is that everything that comes in the clay tote stays in the clay tote. So when you're finished working, remember to put everything back in your tote and keep it nearby. I have my brown paper bag as my workstation, my clay. I might need some water spritzer today. And the other material that I would recommend is a piece of dental floss. Dental floss works great for cutting clay. If you don't have dental floss, you can tear a piece of clay off of your clay brick or use your plastic knife. Dental floss is really slick for cutting a small piece of clay off of your clay block. So for the pinch pot, the first thing that you're going to want to do is pack the clay in your hands to create a clay ball. What this does is it eliminates any sort of air pockets that may exist. Now this clay is fresh from the company and it's already been processed, so it doesn't have any air pockets in there, but I do like to form it into a clay ball before I create a pinch pot shape. So just packing it like you would pack a snowball in the winter. Once you've got that ball shape, and you can roll it on the table if that helps, hold it in your non-dominant hand. I'm a right-handed individual, so I will hold it in my left hand. Take the thumb of your dominant hand and push into the center of your clay ball to create a hole, just like so. Now from here, to create a pinch pot with even walls, what I'm going to do is push the clay against the fingers in the opposite hand and twist. So I'm pushing and twisting, pushing and twisting. You may remember creating pinch pots in elementary school or in middle school. The most challenging aspect is keeping the walls even thickness. So notice that I'm just using my hands to pinch and twist, and if I notice that it's too thick in the bottom, pushing that bottom. It's natural to get some cracks on the top edge. You can use your finger to smooth it out. Or if it starts to crack and dry, let's say that you mess up, you can pack it and start fresh. If it starts to dry, you can always spritz a little water and smooth it. But be careful not to use too much water. We want this clay to be workable and even. Now if you notice that the top of your pinch pot is starting to flute out more like a bowl, then it's a good idea to start over. So what we'd like you to do is create a simple pinch pot, just like a teacup or a mug shape. Once you've finished, snap a photo and add it to this slide to show that you've created a pinch pot. And typically it takes a couple of tries. Can't wait to see what you do.